Pastor Jeff here, and I want us to focus on something attainable in this week's installment of Wednesday Encouragement. That thing that I'm referring to is unity. Now, a little over a week ago, if I had mentioned that unity was attainable, you probably all would have thought I was crazy. But then something amazing happened. We all came together over a cutout of a sitting Bernie Sanders in those amazing mittens. And the memes and the pictures ensued. He was everywhere. He was on our favorite TV shows. He was a UFC fighter. He was on the moon and Everest. I even stuck him in the back of one of my Encouragement Wednesday pictures. Didn't matter what your walk of life was, what your political side was. We were all drawn together over putting Bernie Sanders in our pictures. In his letter to the church in Rome, the Apostle Paul shares some really great instructions in Romans chapter 12, and I'd like to share them. In Romans chapter 12, verse 16, it says this: "Live in harmony with one another. Do not be proud, but be willing to associate with people of low position. Do not be conceited." Live in harmony with one another, or literally be unified with one another, is the instruction here. Often the title that is listed over this section of scripture is Love in Action. And love in action happens when we choose into unity. Notice that right after that, he says, do not be proud and be willing to associate with people of low positions. Don't be conceited. In superhero terms, pride is the kryptonite of unity. Or maybe helpful this way: when we, you and I, choose ourselves and our positions over people, we stand in the way of unity and harmony taking place. On a few occasions, I've had interactions with people that have gone something like, "Jeff, it's not your fault. I'm just smarter than you." Listen, I can laugh about it now, because in reality, their statements were probably true. But in the moment, everything inside of me wanted to say, "Are you smart enough to block this punch?" The reality is that we need the smart and we need the simple, and together they can become simply profound. And we will find unity. But it won't happen if we choose to look down on one another. We don't need a Bernie Sanders meme to bring us together, but we do need to choose into harmony and unity. So let's choose them this week. Go in peace.